Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing OnePlus Watch 3 43mm and OnePlus Watch 3. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both watches come with an IP68 rating. Display features. OnePlus Watch 3 43mm comes with 1.32 inches AMOLED display, and the OnePlus Watch 3 comes with 1.5 inches LTPO AMOLED display. When it comes to the hardware features, they offer Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset. Next, compare the battery features. OnePlus Watch 3 43mm comes with up to 7 days of battery life, and the OnePlus Watch 3 comes with up to 16 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Both two smartwatches come with Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC and Bluetooth 5.2. Next, compare the sensor features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.